So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this or invert it so that the roofer on the roof is not on the left side and instead is on the right side of the image. All right guys, Paul James here. Now I know this is kind of different than most of the tutorials and things you see here on my channel, but I really was trying to do something today and it kind of drove me crazy that there was really no cut and dry tutorial on how to do this very, very simple task in Photoshop. And those of you out there who are trying to flip a photo or invert a photo, or maybe you're designing websites or designing landing pages, you're gonna find this really, really helpful. So I wanna show you on the computer how to do this very, very quickly and effectively. All right guys, so here's what we're working with, and it just kind of drove me crazy that I couldn't find a tutorial that was very, very simple on how to do this. So I thought I would just make one. So this is what we're working with. I've got this image here that I want to use because I'm building out a landing page to use for a Facebook ad when I target roofers. And right now, when I put this on the landing page, you can see like the silhouette of the roofer is getting covered up. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this or invert it so that the roofer on the roof is not on the left side and instead is on the right side of the image. So what we're gonna do guys is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to drag this image into Photoshop or open it with Photoshop. So let me go ahead and open this image here and put it in Photoshop. So initially, some of the tutorials I watched on YouTube on this to try and figure this out, the directions are really unclear and there was like a lot of like messing around with like the canvas and stuff. And I found out afterwards that it just really isn't necessary. So it's really, really simple. You're gonna wanna unlock the layer if your layer is locked like mine is right here. You could just do that by double clicking it and then clicking OK. Now the layer is unlocked. And it's just so easy. If you come over here to properties, right where my mouse is, there's a little button here that allows you to invert it. You can see it says flip horizontal. Literally it's with a click of the button. Click it, boom, it flips it horizontal. And now I can go and I can save as, or I normally, what I do is I do save for web. I guess it's a legacy feature, but it's usually what I do so I can save it as a JPEG file. Now I guess, let's switch this back. We could also go and we could flip it the other way. So if you wanted to do that, of course we don't want to do that in this scenario, but you know, we could do that if we wanted to. But this is what I want to do with it. That's going to make it look good on my landing page. Now when I upload it, it'll show up on the right side. So I just wanted to shoot that tutorial for you, and maybe I'll do more stuff like this when I see a gap in the educational information space on YouTube. I'll just go ahead and shoot a quick tutorial for it. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing and taking the bell notification icon so that I can update you the next time I post another tutorial. And also if you wouldn't mind smashing a like on this video, it really helps out. Thank you so much. I will catch you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.